Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about multithreading introduction, part of programming in Java course. In computer science, multithreading is a technique that allows a program to execute multiple threads or sequences of instructions concurrently. This means that multiple threads can run simultaneously on different cores or processors, allowing a program to perform multiple tasks at the same time. Java supports multi-threading through the thread class and the runnable interface. The thread class provides methods for creating and controlling threads, and the runnable interface is used to create a class that can be run as a thread. And here is an example of how to create a new thread in Java. In this example, the myThread class is a subclass of thread class, and the run method contains the code that will be executed in the new thread. The start method is called on the myThread object to start the new thread. Multithreading can provide significant performance benefits by allowing a program to take advantage of multiple cores or processors. It can also make a program more responsive by allowing it to perform multiple tasks at the same time. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.